Good morning, everyone. Today's video is for Tuesday, May 19th. Over the next 3 days, we're going to kind of combine everything we've learned so far about metric conversions. We're going to be talking about length with kilometers, meters, and centimeters. We're going to be talking about mass or weight with kilograms and grams, and we're going to be tying in capacity with liters and milliliters, all into multi-step conversions. So for today's lesson on Tuesday, I'm going to make one video for the next 3 days, and I'm going to do problem number 4 for you today. And then on Wednesday, you can actually break the lesson up into 2 days. You can start it on Wednesday and do the first few problems, and then you can finish it on Thursday and do the last few problems. Or if you would like to and knock it all out, you can do all 6 or 7 problems on Wednesday if you would like. But again, today's lesson, you have about 4 or 5 problems to work on. I'll do number 4 for you. And then Wednesday, because it's a little bit longer and because the problems take a little bit longer as well, you can break it up and do it over 2 days if you would like. But today's problem, let's start, says on Thursday, the pizzeria used 2 kilograms, 180 grams less flour than on Friday. On Friday, they used 12 kilograms, 240 grams. On Saturday, they used 1,888 grams more than on Friday. What was the total amount of flour used over the 3 days? So I'm going to start with the question, and I know we're trying to figure out what was the total amount of flour used. And I know that there was 3 days. I know that on Thursday, they used 2 kilograms, 180 grams less than they did on Friday. So this goes to Friday. I know that on Friday, they actually used 12 kilograms, 240 grams. And then I know on Saturday, they used 1,888 grams more than Friday. So I'm going to start by organizing my data. So I know we're going to have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I'm going to use my conversions. I know we're working with grams and kilograms today, so I know that the conversion is 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. And I'm going to start on Friday because they actually give you Friday's amount. Friday's amount was 12 kilograms, and if you think about your conversion, we know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, so that would be 12,000 kilograms, 240. So I'm just going to combine them right away. So 12,000. 240, and now it's in grams. And that's going to be my starting point. That's the only number that we know right away. I'm going to go up to Thursday now, and I know on Thursday the pizzeria used 2 kilograms, 180 grams less than on Friday. So I know that Thursday's number is going to be a little bit smaller. So it's going to be 2 kilograms, 180 grams less. So again, I know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So I know this is really going to be 2,000 grams plus 180 grams. And it's going to be less. So I know it's going to actually be a subtraction problem. So I'm going to do my work over here for this part of the problem. Let's see here. So Friday was 12,240. And I know 2,000 plus 180 would be 2,180. And I'm going to subtract them because Thursday's less. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Can't do 4 minus 8, so let's borrow from the 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And bring the 1 down. So I know Thursday's amount would be 10,060 grams. And now last we have to figure out Saturday, so I'll go back to the problem. On Saturday they used 1,888 grams more than Friday. So Saturday's amount is going to be the same amount for Friday. And then we're going to extend the box by 1,888. So we'll set that one up over here. So 12,240 plus 1,888. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 10 and 1 more is 11. Carry my 1, 2, 3, 4. And bring down my 1. So I know that Saturday's amount is going to be 14,128. And now the problem's asking us to find the total amount of flour used on all 3 days. So I'm going to start with my Friday amount. That was the amount that was given to me. So 12,240. I'm going to put Thursday's amount, and I got that because it was 2 kilograms, 188 grams less than Friday. So I did my subtraction problem, and I got 10,060. And then I got Saturdays. They used 1,888 grams more than on Friday, so I added those two numbers together, and I got 14,128. And because we're finding the total amount used over the last 3 days, we're just going to add those all together. So 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 2 more would be 12. Carry my 1. 1 and 2 is 3. And 1 more is 4. Bring down my comma. 0 and 2 is 2. And 4 more would be 6. And then 1, 1, 1 would be 3. So over those 3 days, the pizzeria used 36,428 grams of flour. All right, so that's number 4 for you guys. You guys are going to work on the other problems on your lesson for today. And there will not be a video tomorrow or on Thursday because we're just going to continue learning about multi-step conversions. So just remember, Wednesday and Thursday, you can break that lesson up and do it over 2 days because I think there are 8 problems to work on. I know these problems take a little bit longer. So on Wednesday, if you want to do the first few problems, save it and then send it to me. I can check it then. And then on Thursday, after I send it back to you, you can reopen it and then you can finish the rest of the problems for Thursday. If you would like to do all of the problems on Wednesday and just kind of knock it out and get it done, that is fine also. And then on Thursday, you would only have a bell ringer to do. And then after that, enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You may use your magic pen to solve these on your iPad. You may just type in your answers if you would like to, or because it takes a little bit more room, you might want to do it on a piece of scrap paper and then just take a picture of it and then upload it. All right, guys, good luck.